So our topic for today is still about circle, and it is the part of the video. We know from the previous video that this one, x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0 is the general form of the equation of the circle. So now, ang ituturo ko is all about shortcuts to find the center, the radius, to determine it its graph. So if the radius of the circle is greater than 0, then the graph is circle. If the radius is less than 0, then there's no circle or there's no real locus, which means the circle does not exist. So if the radius of the circle is equal to 0 naman, ang graph natin is a point circle. So this one, to determine the value of D, E, and F kapag nasa standard form siya, i-convert to general form. So mamaya, i-discuss natin yan. So for now, let's have some example. Let's try this. X squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 12y minus 27 is equal to 0. So let's use these shortcuts to determine the center first. So this is the general form of the equation of the circle. Let's find its center. So center with the coordinates d, negative d over 2, negative e over 2. So let's just substitute. What is our d is the coefficient of x. So negative center is negative 2 over 2. And e is the coefficient of y. So negative 12 over 2. So our center is negative 1, negative 6. Now, let's try to find its radius naman. So, using this equation, r squared is equal to d squared over 4 plus e squared over 4 minus f. So, what is our d? D is 2. So, 2 squared is 4 over 4 plus e. E is 12 squared, 144 over 4 minus the negative 27 is plus 27 na yan. Tama? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 4 over 4 is 1 plus 144 all over 4 is 36 plus 27. 36 plus 1, 37. So, 64. R squared is equal to 64. And to find the exact value of the radius is to square root both sides. So, r is equal to 8. This is our radius. And this is our center. So, meron ba tayong circle? Yes, meron kasi the radius is greater than 0. So now, let's try to find the value of T, E, and F using these shortcuts. So, ginagamit natin to when we have a standard form. So, kung ang given ay standard form, i-convert natin to general form. Ito yung ginagamit natin para mas mapadali tayo. So, ano nga ba yung standard form of the equation of the circle ulit? Ayun yung x minus h squared, quantity squared, plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared, where center is the hk. Tama? So, finiflip natin yung sign, yun yung magiging center natin, coordinates ng center. So, let's try to have some example. Para x plus 1 quantity squared plus y plus 6 quantity squared is equal to 64. Ayan. So, to find d, sabi, negative 2h. d is equal to negative 2h. Ano yung value ni h natin dito? Since positive yan, ang value natin ni h ay negative 1. Kasi, finiflip nga natin yung sign. So, negative 2 times negative 1 is simply 2. So, our d is 2. Meron na tayong d. Try naman natin si e. Negative 2k. So, ano si k natin dito? Siya yung negative 6 naman. So, is equal to negative 2 times negative 6 is equal to 12. K natin is 12. So, To find f naman, itong h squared plus k squared minus r squared. So, f is equal to h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Ano yung h ulit natin? Negative 1 squared is 1. K squared. Negative 6 squared, positive na siya. So, positive 36 minus r squared. Ano yung r squared natin? 64 minus 64. So, f is equal to 36 minus 1, 35. 35 minus 64 is, ano? Negative 27. Tama? Ngayon, buuin na natin yung general form nung standard form na given. So, sabi natin si general form ay x squared plus y squared plus dx. Ano ba si d natin? 2. So, 2x plus ey. Ano ba si e natin? Ay 12 minus 12y plus f. Ano ba si f natin? Is negative 27. So, we have negative 27 is equal to 0. It is now the general form. Diba? Kaysa mag-expand ka pa ng binomial, square of binomial. Mas mabilis kung kukunin natin kaagad si D, si E, at saka si F, then ma-formulate na natin yung general form ng equation. Kuha?